There's a new reason para bumisita sa Clark. Matapos buksan ng Philinvest Mimosa Plus Leisure City, natampok ang 3 bagong restaurant sa Philinvest Shops Mimosa. Formal na ngang inilunsad ng Philinvest Mimosa Plus Leisure City, isang bagong dining at leisure destination na nag-aalok ng iba't ibang food concepts para sa mga residente, turista, golfers at iba pang bisita. Kabilang sa mga nagbukas ang Firehouse Pizza na naghahain ng specialty pizzas, pasta at appetizers. Recado by Carlos Villaflor na nag-aalok naman ng Filipino dishes sa modernong setting. At ang La Loca, isang Spanish restaurant na tampok ang tapas, paella at sangria. Ibinahagi ni Philinvest Hospitality Corporation First Vice President for Hotel and Restaurants, Ria Sarosa, na ang paglulunsad ng Mimosa Plus Leisure City ay bahagi ng paglawak ng Philinvest Mimosa bilang isang integrated lifestyle resort destination.
We want to give you the very first look at the answer. That is Mimosa Lifestyle. So, together with our partners, but we will officially be welcoming you and sharing all the details with you very soon.
Inanunsyo rin niya ang paparating na Mimosa Lifestyle Plus Rewards program na magsasama ng dining, hotel stays at golf sa iisang membership experience. Nakatakda ring buksan ang mga bagong pickleball courts, ang Philinvest Malls Mimosa, isang upgraded driving range na may Trackman technology, night golf at isang 9-hole adventure putting course. Ayon sa management, layunin na palawakin ang dining, recreation at hospitality experience para sa mga bisita sa Clark. Ibinita ni Clark Development Corporation President and CEO Attorney Agnes VST de Valadera ang Philinvest Mimosa bilang lifestyle resort destination sa Clark na tinawag niyang city within a city.
You know, you have transformed Philinvest not just into a place to go to, but it's almost a city within a city.
This is Patricia Mamangun on The Spot.